Benefits of intentional washing. Open the heart and detox. It had been a few weeks since Tom and Will last caught up, their conversation about intentional washing still lingering in Tom's mind. Today they meet again at their usual coffee spot, but this time, Tom has something new to share.
Hey, Will. Remember when you told me about intentional washing, especially focusing on the head and neck? I finally gave it a shot during my showers. And man, it felt like something just clicked. The brain fog is gone. My mind's clear. I've been in such a good mood lately. Even at work, I've been more productive. My boss noticed and gave me an incentive.
Bro, that's amazing. I am impressed you listened, and you should be really proud of you. That's what intentional self-care does. Congrats, man. And since you're already on that track, let me share a few more tips. This time, let's focus on the upper body. It's all about opening up the heart and detoxing stored tension.
Oh yeah? That sounds interesting. I didn't even think about the upper body having that much emotional impact. What do I do?
Start with your trapezius muscles, your shoulders and neck. It's one of the first places we carry stress. While you're in the shower, press or knead the tops of your shoulders, especially under warm water or when you're lathering soap.
I've definitely felt that tension there. Like I didn't realize how tight I was until you just said it. I'll try that for sure.
Next is your chest and sternum. That area connects to the vagus nerve. It's a powerful calming zone. Just place your palm flat on your chest and move in slow circles. It activates your parasympathetic system, basically helps your body shift into rest and relax mode.
I don't get all that technical stuff or the fancy names of body parts. All I can about is making sure I am at my top game physically, emotionally, and mentally. Sometimes I get this tight feeling in my chest, especially when I'm anxious. So massaging that area might help, huh? Where did you get this intel?
It is reflexology. It has been around for over 4,000 years. In the West, reflexology or something similar started in the 1900s. That doesn't matter. It works.
I have felt the results, and it works to relieve the stress and tension in my neck and head.
Exactly. And here's one people usually skip. Your armpits. They're major lymphatic zones, and when you gently massage them with your fingers toward the chest, it supports detox and even helps regulate hormones.
Wait, seriously? I always just do a quick wash and move on. I never knew there was more to it. This is wild. Like turning a basic shower into a healing ritual.
That's the whole point, bro. It's not just about getting clean. It's about becoming more connected with your body and letting go of what you're holding in, physically and emotionally.
Man, I wish I started this earlier. I used to rush through showers like it was just another chore. Now I look forward to them, like a reset button for my whole day. I just never thought about being intentional about a simple shower. Will, I just had a thought that I can massage these very same areas while catching up on a show or even at a traffic light. 1 to 2 minutes can do the trick of detoxing the stress.
So next time you step into the shower, don't just clean your body, unlock it. Every stroke across your shoulders, chest, and underarms isn't just hygiene, it's healing. You're not just washing off the day, you're releasing stress, activating calm, and creating space to breathe deeper, think clearer, and feel lighter. The upper body holds more than muscle. It holds emotion. And with just a few intentional moves, you can open the heart, detox the mind, and start your day stronger, from the inside out. Your shower can be your sanctuary. Make every drop count. For more health tips and information, contact us directly at Mac1 Facebook page or visit our website.